Hi guys, I hope you're all finding yourselves well. Today I'm going to go on a little hike, enjoy this beautiful spring day, and then I'm going to give you a little tour of my old Bushcraft base. I'll catch you in a bit. Some state parks that I've been to have signs posted that'll tell you how difficult the trail is. Wonder what this one would be. So when I was in college, me and a good friend of mine decided we were going to build a bushcraft base in the woods. We didn't have a whole lot of places to hang around, so why not be outside? Took us about a year and a half of dedication, rushing out of classes, and then, of course, rushing back. But in that time, I'd say we made some of the best memories that we will ever have. So I'm glad to share this with you guys, and I really hope you enjoy. A proper camp is a nomad's binding place. He may occupy it for a season or only for a night, according as the site and its surroundings please or do not please the wanderer's whim. Your thoroughbred camper likes not the attentions of a landlord, nor will he suffer himself to be rooted to the soil by cares of ownership or lease. It is not possession of the land, but of the landscape that he enjoys, and for that, all the wild parts of the earth are his, by a title that carries with it no obligation, but that he shall not desecrate nor lay them waste. Isn't it nice just to sit back, relax, and listen to the birds? Feels like spring. If you made it this far, I just want to say that I appreciate it. And just remember, get outside, enjoy yourselves, and just take a moment to appreciate nature. I'll see you on the next one.